101.5 KNUE presents the Lindale Chamber of Commerce Member Spotlight.
Today, talking with the great folks over at Blue Line Fence Company, and I want to know, do you offer free estimates for someone's fence in East Texas?
Yes, we offer free estimates on any kind of fence, commercial or residential.
What type of fences will you build East Texans?
We offer all types, black and galvanized chain link, cedar, pine, privacy fences, any kind of wrought iron fences, both commercial and residential.
And when building these fences, is this something that you work closely with the customer to make sure that they get what they need?
Correct. I come out, do the estimate, and then our crews will come out. We run through the installation process with the customer and do a walkthrough when the job is complete.
What sets you apart from the other fence companies in East Texas?
Well, Michael, what sets us apart is our limited lifetime workmanship warranty, because we're going to do it right the first time.
And so if East Texas want more details about you guys, how can they find y'all?
You would visit us at blueline-fence.com.
101.5 KNUE presents the Lindale Chamber of Commerce Member Spotlight.